Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we will see how we can launch AWS EC2 Instance using AWS console. For this we need one AWS account. So I have already set up one AWS account. Now I will search here EC2. So it will redirect to me the EC2 service. Just click on this link and now we are on the home page of the EC2 service. Now scroll down and you will see one button here, launch instance. Click on this button. So here we will configure the basic details of our EC2 instance. So I am writing a name here, that is demo1. Then we need to select the AMI image for our EC2 instance. So I will go with the Ubuntu image. You can choose based on your requirements. Scroll down, you will see the instance type. So here you need to select the instance type. So you can choose any of the instance size. I am going with the default one, that is T2 micro. Here you will see you need to create a key pair, or you can select the existing one if you have any one. So I am going to click on create new key pair. Here I will pass the name of this key, that is demo1 key. Okay. So the duplicate name is not allowed here. So I will create the PEM file. I will choose the PEM file format and click on create key pair. So it will download one PEM file on my system. So it will ask me a location. So I'm going to save. So that file has been downloaded in my system. Now scroll down, you can configure the network setting. So it's automatically picked up the default network, default subnet, VPC and other things. If you want to change anything, you can click on edit and you can configure according to your requirements. So here I will go with the default settings. I'm not changing anything here. Similarly, if you scroll down, it will ask you to configure the storage. So by default, it attaches 8 GB storage with your instance. If you want to attach more, you can do that. But 8 GB minimum is compulsory. You cannot go below this. So I am doing it 20 GB. So I am doing it 20 GB. So these are the basic configuration which we need to do for to launch a new EC2 instance. So in the summary also you can see that what we have done, we have selected the Ubuntu image, we have selected the T2 micro instance type, default security groups. Here it will create a new security group and the storage volume. So in the new security group, you will see in the network details, you will see it allowed the SSH port, which is port number 22 for login into the EC2 instance. So you can select here your IP address. So it will pick up my host machine IP address automatically, or you can select anywhere. Anywhere means it will allow it to access publicly. So you need to click on launch instance. So now it has started to launch the EC2 instance. It will create a new security group. So the instance has been initialized. This is the ID of the instance. Just click on this ID. So this is the name we passed during our launch configurations. And when you select on this, you will see the other details also. So here you will get the public IPv4 address. So I'm just copying this IP address. So to launch in the EC2 instance, we need that key pair file. So we have already downloaded that in our local system. So I'm going to use that same file. And the default username for the Ubuntu image is Ubuntu. I'm passing that and the IP address. So IP address we copied from here and press enter. So this is the first time login we are doing. So that's why it is asking for yes or no. Yes. So now we are logged in inside the EC2 instance. So we can check the configurations here. So you remember we attached the 20 GB storage. So that is 20 GB is here. So that's how we launch EC2 instance using the AWS console. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this.